Behold, the birth of aesthetic accelerationism. And I'm not talking about the Nick Land, Skynet, Terminator, AI takes over the world accelerationism. I'm talking more something like this.
Is your end game.
Accelerationism is the end game. We're going to burn this entire Earth to the ground and rebuild from the beginning.
Now, of course, I think he's more referring to the rapid technological advancement and industrialization that guys like Uncle Ted talk about, in which, you know, modern society is going to get to a point where it's growing too fast and everything collapses, and out of the ashes sort of new kind of man will emerge. Kind of like that scene in Fight Club where Tyler Durden is talking about you will be walking through jungles in New York City in leather, you cured yourself, or whatever the fuck. What I'm talking about is aesthetic accelerationism. Behold, aesthetic accelerationism. Aesthetic accelerationism. Now, what do I mean by aesthetic accelerationism? For those of you that don't know, I got into a car accident 2 months ago and I broke my fucking neck. I was driving home, I hydroplaned off the side of the road, hit a construction pipe, and flipped the fuck over. My car is literally totaled and completely destroyed. Most people would see this as a bad thing, like, hey Patrick, you were about to PR on bench, on squat, you lost 15 pounds since your accident, you're skinny as fuck now. Like, most people would see it as a bad thing, but it's not a bad thing. It's not aesthetic accelerationism. I lost all my gains. I'm back at square one. I'm back at that like default fucking NBA 2K creation character. And now I can rebuild from the ashes. My body has literally been emaciated and destroyed, and now I can rebuild from the ashes. I can start working out again, get big and juicy, and get fucking swole, get fucking swole. So yeah, it's actually really a good thing when you think about it. And that's not to say it's without its challenges. I literally cannot lift more than 20 pounds right now. Like, I'm literally, like, this is a 20-pound dumbbell. I literally cannot lift more than 20 pounds. I mean, like, I can lift more than 20 pounds, but I'm not really allowed to, like, because I could, I don't know, like, break my fucking neck or something, I could break my fucking neck. But fear not, Asgardians. The Aesir will not fall quietly into the night. We will fight the great battle of Ragnarok. Behold, Mjolnir! Behold, Mjolnir! Mjolnir! This is a pretty pathetic Mjolnir, I gotta say. Behold, Mjolax! This would probably be better than the hammer. It's really more of a throwing axe. So you're supposed to fucking whoosh, whoosh, just fucking throw that shit, but look at that blade. Look at that blade. Look at that blade. Look at that fucking blade. Hey there, Delilah, what's it like in New York City? You're 1,000 miles away, but girl, tonight you look so pretty. Yes, you. Hey there, Delilah. Hey there, Delilah. Yeah, but my neck's really fucking sore right now. That was a lot of physical exertion. Anyway. Nothing is beautiful except man alone. All aesthetics rest upon this naivety, which is its first truth. Let us immediately add the second. Nothing is ugly except the degenerating man. And with this realm of aesthetic judgment is circumscribed. Physiologically, everything ugly weakens and saddens man. It reminds him of decay, danger, impotence. It actually deprives him of strength. One can measure the effect of the ugly with a dynamometer. Wherever man is depressed at all, he senses the proximity of something ugly. His feeling of power, his will to power, his courage, his pride, all fall with the ugly and rise with the beautiful. In both cases, we draw an inference. The premises for it are piled up in the greatest abundance and instinct. The ugly is understood as a sign and symptom of degeneration. Whatever reminds us in the least of degeneration causes in us the judgment of ugly. Every suggestion of exhaustion, of heaviness, of age, of weariness, every kind of lack of freedom, such as cramps, such as paralysis, and above all, the smell, the color, the form of dissolution, of decomposition, even the ultimate attenuation into a symbol, all evoke the same reaction, the value judgment, ugly. A hatred is aroused, but whom does man hate then? There is no doubt the decline of his type. Here he hates out of the deepest instinct of the species. In this hatred there is a shudder, caution, depth, farsightedness. It is the deepest hatred there is. It is because of this that art is deep. I don't know about you, that's fucking deep, man. That's fucking deep. Yeah. That's fucking deep. Damn. I miss having bigger biceps, you know. I'll get back there. I will get bigger biceps again. I'm top G. I'm fucking top G.
Eugenics.
In the world I see, you're stalking elk through the damn canyon forest around the ruins of Rockefeller Center. You'll wear leather clothes that will last you the rest of your life. You'll climb the wrist-thick cuts of vines that wrap the Sears Tower. And when you look down, you'll see tiny figures pounding corn, laying strips of venison in the empty carpool lane of some abandoned superhighway. Feel better, champ.
Eugenics.